Hey, it's Cam for Techtainian, and this is a review of the Elan Form Graphite case from Griffen. This is an iPhone 4 case. It sells right now for $39.99. You can buy it for your iPhone 4. It is a pretty unique case in the fact that it has some mock carbon fiber here on the back, which is very grippy, provides a really nice texture, and also doesn't scratch very easily like plastic. If we look at the inside of the case, we can see it has this is sort of like a soft touch finish, so when you set your glass iPhone 4 back inside, you're not going to scratch it. The top piece of the case sort of just fits on like that. It sort of just clicks at the corners, as so. The case does feel quite nice, and the phone it has a little lip, so if you set it down or if you drop it on its face, you're not going to scratch the screen because of this nice little lip that sticks up. I have dropped it once when it was in here and it was fine, so that does do some nice reassurance. It has some sort of reinforced corners, if you can see that. Right there. So that's pretty nice too. It is a quite stylish case with its nice design, gives you a lot of grip, and a lot of the advantages it has over a plastic case is that it gives you more grip than a plastic case, and it is not hard to put in and out of your pocket like a silicone case. So that's the nice thing about this sort of carbon fiber back, is it doesn't scratch, fits in and out of your pocket simply and easily, and it also provides quite a bit of protection. The case is quite stylish, but I guess you can say if you like it yourself. I quite like the design. It looks very classy and nice in my opinion. Just a nice textured back and black front, all black around the side. Gives you big openings on the bottom, so you never need to worry about taking your case off if you want to fit it in any sort of dot connector or anything. The side gives you a big opening too, so you can easily flick that switch. Top is big. You can fit any headphones in there. So it's definitely a nice case from that perspective, that there's lots of openings on the sides and you don't need to worry about fitting your stuff in. So what are the disadvantages? If you're pushing the case a little bit when you're just kind of swiping, the case sort of jiggles. The iPhone moves a tiny bit inside. It's pretty small, but it is sort of irritating when you're scrolling and it moves a little bit. Some of the other problems with this case are the fact that the sides here can occasionally sort of pop open a little bit, but generally they're quite secure. And I'd say the final thing I don't like so much about this case is it is quite pricey at $39.99. I received it for free as a gift from my carrier, but if you do have to go out there and buy it, it is a quite expensive case compared to some other alternatives. So most of the things are good about it. Good design, looks classy, lots of openings, pretty grippy, fits in and out of your pocket fast, jiggles a little bit. The design of the sides coming up isn't always perfect, and it is quite expensive. But I would like to say that this is definitely a good product, and I would definitely give it 4 to 5 stars. That's what I think about this case, but for $39.99, if you don't mind spending quite a bit of money on an iPhone 4 case, you're definitely getting a very compelling, well thought out, nice product here. So that's Cam from Techtainian, reviewing the Griffen Elan Form iPhone 4 case. That's what I mean right there. It didn't click. But overall, very nice case, classy design, and if you're looking for a very professional, classy case, don't mind spending a bit, this is definitely highly recommended.